Drumming has been used for thousands of years by cultures all around the world as a tool for communication, celebration, and personal expression. Recently, drumming and drum circles have been gaining popularity as a valuable part of an integrative and holistic approach to healing, recovery, and wellness. In the past few years, scientific and medical research has shown the following benefits of drumming in clinical and social settings. Drumming synchronizes the left and right hemisphere of the brain, and this produces feelings of insight, certainty, conviction, and understanding. Drumming can ease anxiety and calm post-traumatic stress disorder. With drumming, you may experience improved mental clarity, deeper awareness, and a reduction of stress. On a physical level, drumming can lead to increased physical energy, the relief of chronic pain, and it is an immune system booster. On a spiritual level, drumming is grounding. It puts you in the present moment, and it helps facilitate a deeper meditation experience. Drumming also facilitates your connection with nature and the natural rhythms that surround us, and helps us connect to a higher source. And on a social level, drumming is simply fun. It gives us an excuse to come together as a community, to feel a sense of belonging to a group, and to have fun co-creating music with one another. If any of this information resonates with you, I would love to invite you to my drum circle here at my cabin, Cabin Organic, right here on Pigeon Lake. Click on the link to register and hold your space, and I hope to see you there.